Please stop. If you are going to use your Trust wallet with Binance wallet, yes, please stop. In this video, I'm giving to complete information how you connect your Trust wallet or how to import or use seed phrases with Binance Smart Chain wallet. So this is so simple and easy. Please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can see here, viewers, I have opened my Trust wallet, and if I need to use this Trust wallet with the Binance wallet, so what will I do? First, I need to backup of my seed phrases, my wallet seed phrases. So where you can backup, I already told in my many videos, but I also giving to some more information about how you can the backup. Simple click on setting button, click on manage, and there is my wallet is available here. Simple click on it, and after that you can see here shown seed phrases, and then enter the password here. I'm going to enter my password here, which is I have apply. Don't share your secret phrases with anyone, otherwise your fund will be lost. Okay, verify. Now after verifying, you can reveal your seed phrases. Please keep in your mind, don't use seed phrases your personal use, because this video is only for educational purpose. So if you are going to use these seed phrases, your fund will be lost. Keep in your mind. So I just simple copy, or I have already write in my notepad file. You can see here, going to open Binance Wallet Exchange. I need to extension Binance Wallet Exchange extension, so that simple click on it, and then you can see here the first option is available here. When you are going to connect or use your wallet seed phrases with any other wallets, you must cross check you have open original website, authentic website, otherwise your fund will be lost. I already told you many times in my many videos. Simple click on it, and then you can see here Binance wallet, and also you can read the review. I'm not giving to any financial advice. You can use this website or not. I just giving to method if you want to use. Okay, see more, manage and view over 1 million tokens, and many things is available here about Binance wallet. You just simple click on add button. I have already installed, so that's shown here, remove from Chrome. You just simple click on add button. After some time your extension will be downloaded and installed in your browser. I just simple click on pin my Binance wallet, they're shown, and now going to open it. You can see here your gateway web3, set up your wallet. There's 3 options available here: open with seed phrases, private key import, and Binance keyless wallet. So I have seed phrases. If you have a private key, so you can use second option. This is your second option. So I'm going to use the import seed phrases. Now use same scenario, which is I already told you in many videos. So going to open my notepad file and copy all seed phrases, all seed phrases, copy, and now paste here. If you have more seed phrases, simple click on it. You can see here there's many options available here: 15 words, 18 words, 28 words, and 24 words. I have only 12 words, so that I just simple click on it, and now I'm going to paste here. I already all seed phrases paste here. If you have private key, so you can use second option. There is also available. You just simple paste your private key like seed phrases. So again paste here. Now click on confirm button. Now the verifying and create a password. You must create your strong password here. I have enter my strong password here. Now again enter my, I think I typed wrong password here. Enter my password here. It's maybe some mistake still. So again enter my, yes, now correct. Create a password. Importing a wallet. So as I hope you properly understand how can you import your Trust wallet to Binance wallet. and it's maybe take some time. And you can see here asset from 41 chains available here. Explore now wallet successful import. I'm giving you some more review about this wallet. If there is option available is full screen, I think not. Okay, let's start. If you want to change network from this your Binance wallet, simple click on network option, and there is Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Solana, Base. It's depend on you. And if you want to use custom network, so click on custom option, add custom network. I already make the video about it. You can go to my YouTube channel and watch that video. Now you can see here main interface is open in front of me. Simple click on this Binance wallet and okay, and you can see here I have import my trust wallet. This is a my trust wallet. You can also add more wallet on this wallet from this option. If you want to deposit, you can same scenario, use the simple click on it USDT and receive button, and there your all wallet address is shown here. Keep in your mind, but keep in your mind, when you're going to send money or receive money, you must cross check the network, which network you are going to use. If you select the wrong network, so your all fund will be lost, all fund be lost. And you can see here, if I'm going to click the network, you can see here there's selected the Solana, Optimus available here, Binance, many networks is available here. If I am going to click it, you can see Avalanche, Ethereum, many networks available here. Let's suppose I will use Binance Smart Chain, so I will select it. And now when I go to the send any money, so my transaction will be through perform BNB Smart Chain. Okay, and my fund will be received in my account. Understand? Now going to back. So if you want to swap in this option, simple click on swap option. I understand, I agree. And you can see here also you can use swap option available in this wallet. Simple select the BNB. After select the USDT or any according to your coin or token. Simple and set enter the amount, and then let's suppose if you want to exchange or swap one BNB to USDT, you will get $682, and also liquidity shown here and fees shown here and rate shown here. Simple click on it and then you will receive money. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you use your trust wallet with the Binance wallet. So simple and easy. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet's Info, and also press the bell icon button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.